Hey, what's going on? Hey, why don't you come with me today? Come with me today. Check out some things I'm doing today. Definitely got a busy day ahead of me. Hey, just check it out. Of course, just gotta get the fit right. You know what I'm saying? Yes, those are. Can I point to it? I can't even direction-wise. Oh, there they are, right there. Those are socks. I have hand washed those, dried them right there on my washing towel. But anyway, gotta have the drip. Gotta get dressed. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get fly for the day. You know what I'm saying? Got the Gucci's on. You know what I'm saying? You already know I don't wear jeans. You know what I'm saying? Unless they're Miri. If you see me with jeans, they gotta be a Miri. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's just about how I like to get dressed. Doesn't matter what you wear. Doesn't matter if you have on a $10 Dollar Tree watch, man. I done did all of that. I'm just chilling right now, swagging it out. You feel me? But yeah, so I didn't clean up here for anybody to look. You see I got stuff there. I'm just fresh out the shower. Still gotta put stuff on. You know what I'm saying? Still gotta my deodorant. I use that all natural deodorant. And I already did my lotion. You know what I'm saying? I used the hemp's lotion, just in case you're wondering. You know what I'm saying? I really use this hemp lotion like it ain't no game. You know what I'm saying? Don't get it from Target. It's too expensive. It's Target. I got it for like $20 at Target. Man, go ahead and get on Amazon. I got it for like $12, $13 for this bottle. Okay? You know what I'm saying? Just because you got any type of money, I mean, you just need to be wasting it on stuff that costs less. It just don't make no sense. Okay, so especially something you want, you know what I mean? So, I'd be trying to figure out which cologne, I'm gonna wear for the day. I can't even have them on the counter anymore because I just got too freaking many. You know what I'm saying? It just gets crazy. But we're gonna make it a Tom Ford day. You know what I'm saying? Let me grab this cologne. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right. Ugg house shoes. All right. I need to get some type of endorsement from these people. All right. But anyway, walk-in closet. You see, I got stuff. Wife stuff here. My stuff. Got stuff everywhere. Gotta get my stuff back organized. As you can see, I got hats. I love my bucket hats, man. You know what I'm saying? I just love them. All right. But anyway, show y'all more of this closet on another video. But let's go ahead and get out for the day. Got a lot to do. All right. On the way. on the way. Got to make money moves. You always got to move around, do some things that put you in position. You know what I'm saying? Whatever position you want to be in, whether that's financially, spiritually, whatever. You got to do things especially if you want other people, the world, or even just, I can't say even just, but especially yourself. You want to just believe in yourself and, truly stand on that. You really got to speak it. You got to get the work. You got to make yourself believe it by doing the work, putting into action. That's what's gonna make yourself believe it. Are you proud of yourself every day? When you pull up, at home, or you about to go into bed, and you know what I'm saying, do you feel successful for the day? Do you feel like you did everything you could to be successful in whatever area for the day? But we pulling up. All right, got my man right here. I'm saying we're gonna do some things with this house right here. So, just doing a walk through this house. Doing a walkthrough right now. We're just gonna see different things about what this property is worth. We can potentially, get from this spot.
You got the AC and hot water heater stuff. That's all original, right?
Yeah, that's all the original stuff out there.
Is this built in 2018?
Yeah, 2018. Yeah. Yeah, it's actually right here. This is my old son's room. We used to kick it. Yeah, so yeah, the market's hot right now. I've had this place now, just kind of sitting on it for about over a year. And you know, I was just debating on whether I was going to sell it or rent it out, and had different options. And you know, everybody's like, you know, Airbnb it and things like that. And you know, but right now, I just think the value is just so good right now that, you know, the money I'm going to make off it, I can invest in other properties, maybe 2 or 3, fix them up, Airbnb them out or rent them out, and make so much more of a better return. So just doing math, not doing emotional decisions when it comes to money. Very key.
All right. So basically, I pulled this sheet from the tax record so that we can get like the right offer.
Oh yeah, the Tesla plug. That's definitely gonna be a seller right now, especially in this market. You know what I'm saying? They got the plugs. You know, you put your little Tesla hook up right there. You know what I mean? So that's definitely something to add some value to people right now with this high gas market. On the way to the bank, got to pull out some crypto. Gonna go do like a cash advance on like my crypto cards. Pull some cash out of those, and keep all of my money in crypto, because you know it gains a whole lot more percentage wise than just keeping it in the bank at that 0.75 or 0.2 or 0.002, whatever your bank has. The money just doesn't grow enough, doesn't give me an opportunity to make any profit. So why give it to them? This is why I know they're going to be out of business soon if they don't innovate. And people say, well, banks be out of business. That can't be right. Well, I mean, if you look at history, banks have been going out of business for a long time, but it's going to be a major crash in some banks when they don't innovate to the way of, you know, what's going on with crypto and how crypto is taking over. And you're going to see that and experience that here in this lifetime. But yeah, so just heading to the bank to do that. pull some money out, you know, take care of some things, and then, you know, just gonna keep it moving. All right, got some money, you know what I'm saying? Got some money pulled out with the crypto card. You know what I'm saying? Got it. Now I gotta go, you know, make some moves, pay some bills, do some things for the wife, that kind of thing, you know? There's always something to do. It's just always something to do, something to learn, something to grow from. Wait, let me go. All right, appreciate that. Appreciate that.
In a quarter mile, turn right on Creech Road.
There's always something to do, something productive, something, you know, things that I do throughout my day. You know, of course, smoke. That always helps. Some functional weed. And then reading some books, watching videos, getting knowledge, trying to learn something every day. You know, one of my mentors told me, you know, he learns something every single day. He reads every single day. He watches certain things every single day. And I started to pick that up and, you know, make sure that I'm doing things to learn and grow every day. Because if you're not growing every day, you're dying. You know what I'm saying? And you know, who wants to just die? Just, you know, just dying away. Like every day I'm just renewed. Every day I'm getting something new. Every day I'm just like, wow, you know, life is good.